Hello and welcome to this Gamma tutorial. In this video, we would like to introduce you to Cadias 3D, our state-of-the-art software for virtual occlusion design and analysis. Cadias 3D is a software module of Gamma Dental software and available from version 8.0 and later. The software aims at supporting the clinical and diagnostic aspect of digital dentistry, which is widely neglected by typical dental CAD/CAM applications. The basis for an accurate virtualized occlusion analysis is the exact transfer of upper and lower jaw models into the virtual articulator. Cadias 3D facilitates this process via an extensible data import interface with predefined templates for common 3D scanners and CAD/CAM software. Following the import, the 3D model of the lower jaw can be animated based on the fully adjustable virtual reference SL articulator. Animation can also be performed using Cadias condylography recordings to replay the patient's real lower jaw movement. Optionally, you may choose to enforce guidance defined by the articulator's incisal unit or to consider collisions between upper and lower jaw. Cadias 3D furthermore provides a point digitizing functionality to measure the coordinates of cusp tips and other anatomical points on the 3D model surface. Based on these points, the software can calculate an extensive set of graphical visualizations as well as supporting numerical analyses. It is also possible to carry out custom point, line, and plane measurements for user-defined evaluations or scientific studies. When the lower jaw model is imported in two distinct positions, such as RP and ICP, the software can calculate a condylar position measurement by matching their surfaces together. The result describes the condylar movement that occurs from one position to the other and may give information on temporomandibular joint physiology. Imported dental models can be segmented virtually to isolate individual teeth for collision detection. Following segmentation, you can calculate a static occlusal protocol to automatically determine the sequence and locations of tooth contacts during a centric closing rotation. To analyze the occlusal guidance between upper and lower jaw, the dynamic occlusal protocol feature allows visualizing and animating the true functional guidance paths for individual teeth or for the entire dental arch. Cadias 3D also supports the creation of visualized treatment objectives in order to simulate changes made to the dental situation. These VTOs allow the manual repositioning of models and teeth interactively in the 3D environment. Using the virtual condylar position variator, you can also adjust the condylar offset values, for example, to create a therapeutic position for splint therapy. Any changes made during VTO mode will immediately be reflected in the static and dynamic analyses provided by the software. Cadias 3D aims to provide an open interface for integration in the digital workflow and the scientific process. This includes the export of 3D data in industry-standard file formats as well as convenient transfer of numeric values to third-party applications. This concludes our brief introduction to Cadias 3D.